Made it to South Africa. Just got off the plane. Phil, how you feel? We're at South Africa.
Hey, everybody.
Yeah, we made it. First adventure, getting off the plane. Niggas in Africa. Little VIP vehicle, I don't even know what the hell we in. I ain't never been in one of these. Always getting kidnapped in the airport. Got the gang here. We just landed in South Africa, and everybody here.
What they running from the camera? Hey y'all, what's up, what's up, what's up? We got Keelan.
What up, though?
We got Danny Boo. What's up, what's up?
Everybody got it.
We're in here. South Africa.
Hey, say what up, what up, what up?
Everybody already got it. That was quick. That's quick. Out here. The gang is here. We are here. Apostles, like in a Bible. Yo, you see that? Bro,
this don't even do it no justice.
it don't, bro. It's really in Africa right now. What you think about Africa?
Man, I love it. So far, so great. Oh, good.
House two.
Hello, how are you? Nice.
Huh?
Okay. Welcome to South Africa. Fruit and cheese. Shashir board. It's a vibe over here, Danny? It's a vibe. Okay. Yeah. Everybody's got soaking tubs.
I'm crazy coming up. Can't see it. Let me get inside.
Set it up, Africa.
Wait, hold on, let me get my
Club Cape Town, New Wakanda. Let's do this outside. Let's make it a whole vibe. Come on, we gotta start off right. You see that? Okay, so to my peoples, to my new family, to Club Wakanda, to South Africa, to Cape Town, let's turn up. Let's make this a memorable moment. Yes, day one, let's get it down and shoot. He don't want to talk it. He just chilling. He just coasting down the hill right. Raw dogging it.
Number one in the world, or?
Technically, ooh. Talk you. What you say? Hey, Keelan, I thought about
Wherever you, Africa. Inclusive of wherever you go.
They came to holler at you.
You know what I mean?
Hey. He said, I'm through. Oh. That's why that street ain't safe. That's like London. I ain't feel safe in the streets in London.
We don't need no accidents, though. I just hyped you up.
Say. Oh, no, we're right here, y'all. We're slipping. Niggas, what are we eating? What is the lingo? What's Darius, you want to be in the street though? I'm sick of his. Somebody take his driving privileges. Take your driving privileges. You out here acting crazy. Oh,
Time. Shot o'clock time. Oh, yeah. So whenever,
so take our shot then.
so it's shot o'clock time.
It's shot o'clock.
Oh, yeah, I ain't on that clock.
Nah, I mean, this is gang.
You're not.
Where you gotta be?
Y'all already know I ain't even like
We do this, though.
Yeah, y'all.
You can stop at a certain time, but you gotta start right now.
We're gonna start.
I'll let you know.
Why don't you stop?
I'm independent. I'm on my Mandela. I said I'll let you know.
side of the street.
What? I'm done. I'm not with y'all. We in Africa. Sorry, camera. You're gonna hear this every 5 minutes, possibly.
That's what I'm saying. I gotta take something.
I like that right now. Oh, look at that elephant. He look good too.
That's all.
One night.
Everybody gotta do it.
Yeah, something real cute.
Everybody gotta do it.
I've been told Vaughn that.
I'm with it.
Like, I'm with
I'm
it. All day long.
Go to that thing.
Yeah. Hey, once in Africa, act like I'm a Cape Townian. What do you call it? Yeah. I'm a Cape Townian. What's the lingo? Cape Townian? I'm a Cape Townian. Darius want a double too.
Let's do it.
Let's do it. Everybody doing double?
Not her.
Come on, Chad. Come on, Chad.
Just 2 doubles and the rest single.
Darius signed up with me. Hello. What up, though? Thank you. Hello. I want to spin it. I want to spin it. I got some cash. I want to spin it. Hey. Hello.
Gelato.
Come on. What upper body at? Dang, Keelan. What happened?
Maybe a little drunk.
He said, yeah, we ain't messing with you no more. Okay. Watch it. I watch my step. Okay. Okay, gelato, baby. Missed them in the water. I'm sorry. Dance. It was ask everybody that was over here. They just went back over there. You know what?
I'll grab the chair.
Huh?
I hope not. Proof of violation.
Gang. You're official when you hop the fence.
Oh, he out here. I was waiting for them people to leave.
I know, right? We want to be babies. Kick us off the beach.
Come on, let's go. Oh!
Look if you bug. That's where that song came from. Look if you bug.
Like, Jerome, you don't have to do this. Jerome, you don't have to do this.
Don't do that.
Cuz I thought we was later. See them? This one standing in front of the rock. That's a veil.
They rip our faces.
That's for white.
They born without stripes. Without stripes.
Born black.
They born black. All right, black. Black without stripes.
Birds, they can't fly, but they the second fastest.
Because they can run. They
You look like a baby.
He got three.
South Africa Day 3, I think.
All right, no.
We live. We got action. We got it happen. We out here in the middle of somewhere that's beautiful. It is though. All this. How y'all get all this sand right here? I just dropped all this sand right here. The coral reef, and when they digest it, it turns to sink. You got that. Oh.
I'm doing a wheelie. One hand wheelie.
Okay. One hand with it.
Let's go, Trailblazer. Let's go.
Let's get it, Jay.
No.
We'll get down there some kind of way.
Su control.
She going next. She with it. Let's see what she do.
Perfect. And I didn't wipe out. It's fun, right? You dropped your phone. How you getting down?
Okay.
Oh, he's showing out. Okay then. Oh!
I saw that. board. Welcome.
You got it? You did panorama?
Yeah, I got it.
You good? Oh, you don't like heights?
Sounds ready.
They freezing. We got another motherfucking Glover.
Hey, say it again. We got another Turn that shit.
Darius, much love, brother. I love you, man. It's wedding time. You know you're in a wedding. What we doing? We up.
We in that thing. We in that thing. Look at the camera. Let me see the ring.
If you like it, then you shut up on it.
What up? What up? What up? Congratulations. Congratulations.
Jess, I love you. Vaughn,
We love you so much. You deserve it.
Okay, knew that this was gonna be how we're gonna go. I love you so much. Not that it's over with right now. Such a cute couple. And I love you. More trips to come. Jessica, I love you. Devon, I love you. You guys are f***ing amazing. If anybody deserves this ring and this whole marriage, Jessica, it's you.
Jess, man, you earned this. You deserve it. Congratulations, Dev. Man, I was just so honored to be here on your special day. Like to be a part of such an intimate moment and a monumental moment in your life. God bless y'all. You got a good girl, Jess. Keep them in line.
Hey, I was the only one that didn't know. I might have screamed louder than you, Jess. No, I didn't know.
My man didn't know.
Yeah, I found out by accident.
But don't worry. Hey, listen, I knew all along. But don't worry. It wasn't tragic. He did a great job.
Congratulations. I love you guys. I'm so happy.
Man, we love y'all, man. We appreciate this hospitality all the time. Congratulations, Jess. The new Mrs. Glover coming soon. Also, epic bachelor party coming soon. See y'all later. Love you.
Yo, Jess met y'all, but appreciate y'all letting me be part of this experience. Congratulations to both of y'all.
Congratulations, sis. I'm two-handing it. I'm so happy for you. It was hard to secret to keep, but I love you that much that you deserve everything that you're about to get, girl. May God bless you all in this amazing adventure of love and marriage. I love y'all. Thank you, Mom. I love you, bro. I'm so proud of you. Congratulations.
You gotta say something, bro. You family, go ahead. You gotta say something. Go ahead, kid.
Can't wait for the celebration.
All right,
Happiness.
Landed in Amsterdam with the gang. Nobody's woke. 11-hour flight. And now we're gonna have a return of ours in Amsterdam. So we got part of the gang Me, Keelan, made it to Amsterdam.
Hello.
Yeah. Niggas in Amsterdam. Niggas in Africa, niggas in London, now niggas in Amsterdam. Got the little assistance trolleys, yeah. Fucking Amsterdam. We're off.
Per our usual.
And we smoke. Can't come to Amsterdam and not get.
Really can't. Like, it defeats the purpose of everything you're trying to do in your life.
This Barney's. We going to cookies. It's cookies is where it's at. I knew cookies was gonna have everything. But you know, sometimes you gotta venture out and try different stuff, so you know, we wanna move. Amsterdam. A little food. Now we're back on our way to what's the name of the train station? We back in, what's the name of the train station? Oh my head. Amsterdam Square. That's where we are, Amsterdam Center. Either way, we're taking a train, going back to the airport. Walk around Amsterdam, had a flight. Now we back in the States and don't want to be. How you feel about this, Al?
Take me back.
Take us back. Oh. There we go.